Ayushman Bharat Scheme. Ayushman Bharat, a flagship scheme of Government of India, was launched in 2018 as recommended by the National Health Policy 2017 objective to achieve the vision of universal health coverage. This initiative has been designed to meet Sustainable Development Goal number 3 and its undermining commitment, which is to leave no one behind. Ayushman Bharat adopts a continuum of care approach comprising of two interrelated components, which are Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. It provides health insurance cover of Rs 5 lakh per year to over 10 crore poor and vulnerable families for seeking secondary and tertiary care. Health and Wellness Centers. Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers. In February 2018, the Government of India announced the creation of 1,50,000 health and wellness centers by transforming the existing sub-centers and primary health centers. The goal is to ensure access to quality health care closer to the community, thereby improving health outcomes and reducing out-of-pocket healthcare expenditure for individuals and families. These centers provide free essential medicines and diagnostic services, teleconsultation, and health promotion, including wellness activities like yoga. The health and wellness centers also offer annual screening for those 30 years or older for non-communicable disease such as hypertension, diabetes, and three of the most common cancers in India: oral, breast, and cervical. Progress achievements under Ayushman Bharat scheme. The scheme crossed the milestone of 30 crore Ayushman cards in January 2024. In order to reach out to the last mile, National Health Authority has launched Ayushman app for Ayushman card creation. With 4.83 crore Ayushman cards, Uttar Pradesh topped the list of states with the highest number of Ayushman cards created. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra stand at number 2 and 3 position with 3.78 crore and 2.39 crore Ayushman cards respectively. 48% of treatment provided under the scheme has been availed by the female, thus gender equity is part of core design of the scheme. Further, Ayushman Bharat has successfully catered to 6.2 crore hospital admission worth more than Rs 79,000 crores. News summary. The Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance Scheme data presented in Parliament revealed that beneficiaries aged 70 years and above constituted over 12% of all admissions and nearly 14% of the total expenditure till January 2024. Of the nearly 6.2 crore approved hospital admissions till January 2024, 57.5 lakh were for senior citizens aged 70 years and above, with treatment cost amounting to more than Rs 9,800 crore out of the total Rs 79,200 crore spent over the last 6 years. The government's plan to expand Ayushman Bharat to include all individuals over 70 irrespective of economic status is said to add nearly 4 crore new beneficiaries. Health economist Dr. Indranil highlights that expanding coverage to older people of means will likely increase the policy's utilization and cost. The interim budget in February extended the scheme to ASHA and Anganwadi workers, but no further expansion was mentioned in the July budget, with a slight increase in allocation of Rs 7,300 crore. India's aging population is projected to rise from 8.6% in 2011 to 19.5% by 2050, tripling in absolute numbers from 103 million in 2011 to 319 million in 2050. Hospital admissions for older individuals exceeded their population share in several states, with Maharashtra leading at 20.49%. In contrast, Tamil Nadu recorded the lowest proportion of admission, 3.12%, but had higher treatment costs for the elderly. States like Maharashtra, Kerala, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, and others had the highest proportion of spending on elderly care. What is the goal of the National Health Policy? The National Health Policy aims to achieve the following goals. It aims to offer superior health services to every age group and gender. The policy focuses on providing universal access to excellent quality health care services at a reasonable cost, promoting health care orientation in every developmental policy. What is National Health Authority? The National Health Authority, or the NHA, formed in 2019, is responsible for implementing India's flagship public health insurance assurance scheme, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. National Health Authority has been set up to implement the PMJ at the national level.